Who doesn't want to make money while they sleep? I mean, really, who doesn't want to make money while they sleep? I can't imagine someone saying, no, I don't want to make any money while I sleep. So here's the thing. I'm going to be dishing on 6 passive income ideas that you can start for free. So stick around. I'm Sharon Lee of fearlesspursuits.com, and you are watching Fearless and PowerTube. This is the place to be for entrepreneurs who want to make money online and work on their mind. I create videos on all sorts of different ideas and online business models. And of course, I love talking about the mindset to help you achieve your goals and your dreams. So let's just jump right into the very first idea. So this idea can be free, or you can scale this business by adding a little bit of money. So first and foremost, what is it? It's a t-shirt business. A t-shirt business can be very, very lucrative, and it can start for free. So this is a really great opportunity for those people who are very creative. You can definitely create this in Canva, or if you are a Photoshop person, then this is something that would be super easy for you to do. There's lots of different platforms that you can use. We have Redbubble and Teespring and Printly. And of course, there's merch by Amazon, which isn't altogether very easy to get in, by the way, but they're free. Once you get approved by Amazon in their merch department, it's free. You don't have to print anything out. You create your designs and you list them, and they do the rest. The same thing is true for Redbubble, Teespring. So that's the thing, is you don't have to do anything. It's just your idea that you create, and you list your design on any one of those platforms, and bam, you've got a store. Now, I will say this though. You have to do a certain amount of marketing, so you could do that on your social media platforms. You can throw money at it with ads. You can buy the shirts yourself, do some live streams, talk about your company. Once you buy a couple of those t-shirts, for example, with Teespring, they will start to promote your products for free. So this is where you can start with free and then scale your business so that you can start making more money. I do know people that are making $5,000 and $10,000 each and every month with their designs. They don't have just 1 or 2 designs. They have many designs. But one of the key factors here is really knowing what niche to get into, because there are some saturated niches. So you do have to do your research on that. Passive income idea number 2 that you can start for free. Again, if you're the creative type, you can write a book. We live in the digital age. It's not going to change anytime soon, which means we are all consumers of online information. We are all trying to learn, even online. Now our universities are online. A lot of things that we want to do today can be taught online. There's digital courses and all kinds of things like that. So we realize that we can make some money if we have some knowledge and the wherewithal to go through the process to actually write a book and list it and promote it and go through that whole process. Because I can tell you that it's the promoting process that really drags people down. It's not the writing. I mean, writing the book could seem daunting. I know some people that can write it in a weekend. They write it in 30 days. There's lots of techniques that help you to write your book fast. You can speak it into your phone and then use otter.io to actually transcribe it. You can hire a transcriber on Fiverr, but then when you do that, it's not free anymore. So a lot of times people are using techniques like writing 1,000 words every single day, just sitting down and being committed to actually doing that. So you realize that this is an opportunity for you to take what you have in your mind and put it into a book, and you can do a self-publishing situation. You could put it on Goodreads, you could put it on Amazon and start making some money. But again, I will tell you that it's the marketing that actually seems to be the most difficult aspect of being a writer. So that's the downside, unfortunately. So this is where you have to do a lot of the marketing yourself, and that's you promoting it with your posts, talking about it in live streams. And if you don't want to do that, then you can definitely create a Facebook ad, Instagram ad, something like that where you can promote it. Even on Amazon, you can promote and market your book with a sponsored ad. So that's something that's really easy to do. So if you're the creative type, consider writing a book. Now, I sort of hinted on this a moment ago, but number 3 is selling digital products. So you could literally take your blog. Let's say that you have a blog and you've been writing for a while. You could take your whole entire blog post and put it into a book. You can take your whole entire blog post and turn it into a digital course, a digital product of some type. It's really easy to do, especially if you're like a coach or consultant. You realize that people, your clients, are asking you the same things over and over again. So why not just give them exactly what they're asking for in a digital product? So pricing is really important here. You want to make sure that you're pricing it accordingly so that you can sell it fast. When you're thinking about creating a digital product, for example, you want to start thinking about if you want video, if you want audio, if you're going to give them some PDFs, some sort of worksheets or something like that. You could even turn this into a membership program. That's a bonus idea, for example. So these things can all be done for free. There's no reason, if you have a PC, which most of us do in this day and age, you can create your very own digital product easily and free. All right, we're at number 4. Number 4 is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is absolutely free. It's something that you can do with social media, for example. If there's a product that you really like, it would be so easy for you to get on TikTok, for example, or Reels and just tell people about your product. You can create Facebook posts or live stream posts and tell people about your product. It's not difficult at all to really just talk about your product. If you want to spend a little bit extra money, create a website and a blog and start blogging about it. One of the best things that you can do to promote your blog is with Pinterest. You don't even have to have a blog necessarily to do that. You could have a free Wix site, for example, which doesn't cost you any money at all, and then promote it there and then create your Pinterest to go along with that. So you would connect your Wix with your Pinterest and create pins that would be attracting people to the solution that your affiliate product solves. So affiliate marketing is something easy to do, doesn't cost any money at all unless you go into the expense of having a blog. But even then you could do a Wix or something like that. And I guarantee that it would be smarter for you to think long-term and get a WordPress blog, something that's long-term that you own. But you can make money while you sleep with affiliate marketing. Now for you coaches and consultants out there, why not take the information that you already know and create a course? Now, I have a course that I sell to coaches that help them close the sale. So in my course, for example, I actually provide weekly live coaching. And you can use the model that I have done, which is to create the live training, which creates the buzz. And then that way you have modules, which are evergreen, and then show up every single week and coach them live. It's rewarding and they get so much value out of it. And it's a way that you can make money all the time. So you basically create it once and then it's passive, except for the live coaching aspect. So obviously you do not have to do the live coaching. After all, we're talking about how you can make it for free. So when you're creating a course, you could create the modules once with a live audience, for example, which everyone loves to be part of, and it creates that buzz, and you can make it evergreen. So this is something that you can promote on your social media. As I said before, it's something that you could use with Pinterest. You can make videos on YouTube about it and then just leave the link in the comments or that in the description. But as I said, when you are providing an extra component to it, you can charge higher fees. That's where it becomes a little bit more expensive. That is your time that you are expending, not money, because it doesn't cost me any money at all to show up for my group coaching program every single week. It's just what value my time is. So that's where you decide how much your time is worth, which is a very important factor, by by the way, and then you just show up and you do it. So there's so many different ways that you can think about earning passive income while you sleep, whether it's totally free or whether you want to scale it and invest a little bit more of your time, a little bit more of your money by hiring other people to do things, or by actually investing into ads. So there you have it, 6 passive income ideas. So if you want to promote any one of your passive income ideas and you're just not sure how to stand out, I have a video that I created, and I will leave it here in the description and in the comments for you to watch. So that way you'll be able to stand out on social media and promote your offers easily. I'm Sharon Lee. Until next week, I'm out.